Fishing Bros. Today we're gonna be pond hopping around ponds, and we're gonna see if we can catch some slabs today. Okay, so now I'm fishing with like a weightless sinker. Not weightless sinker. Not you. No, I'm fishing with a weightless fluke. Cause I ain't got no freaking weights. Not you. I was taking my willy up a bum. He catches absolutely nothing. He doesn't catch nothing. All he catches is grass. Yes, I did.
Forget, I'm putting on the LVN.
No, we're gonna watch this scary. We're gonna watch a scary movie.
Did my girlfriend text me? Yeah, she texted me.
Who's your girlfriend? Me? Cause I haven't texted you. Yo, I just heard a blow up. Yeah. It was over here, right? What the fuck was it?
It was in that corner right there. Yes.
Oh, that's perfect, cause it's gonna sink slowly. It's gonna sink slowly. Watch. Gotta sink.
Look what I'm using.
You're gonna catch it.
Huh?
You're gonna catch something with that.
A what?
You're gonna catch something with that.
I'm not, or am?
You are.
Something's telling me to go over here.
I wanna keep on walking, but they wanna go already. Where do you wanna go for you go?
Yo!
What?
Oh, my line just came off.
What do you mean? Let me see. How did it all get off?
I don't have line. I don't have a lock. Try to find my line before you can get through in.
See.
Whoa!
Oh, no.
That's exactly where I cast it too!
That's perfect. Okay. Oh, I see it. It's right here. It's over here. Look, like it's in the water. It's vertically.
I use my pole. Hold me.
If I have a fish, I'm pushing you in there.
Cast at it. Yeah. Smart booty.
He got it. No, he didn't.
What is that?
It's a snail thing. You got my line.
I got it. Bro, you can grab it. Alright, time to tie that bait right back on it. I don't wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tie more line on later. I'm tying this bait right back on.
Why don't you just use your spinning reel?
No. We all have bacon.
Not Jaime. Or Jason, or my dad.
Okay, but that's them. Where'd my line go? Where's the thing that got stuck on? Oh, I hate how everything's green.
You almost done.
You're the one who got it stuck.
You're the one that got it tangled on mine?
I was trying to help him get his.
And then you got mine.
No, you got mine. You started reeling out of nowhere.
because you got mine.
Hold on, where's your fluke at?
On your
Where's
butthole.
my fluke? I lost my line. There was no point in getting that.
Why'd you get it? For the environment.
Fuck that. I can eat my lure. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna catch you fish.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, I found it. What do you say?
Caesars. Caesars.
Saw that?
Yeah, that's it. I'm going.
I'm gonna let it do it. Is that a plate right there?
Oh, you found it? Yeah. Oh, man. Let me see. Mason said I got a baby weight. Ain't even going down. All I see when I'm really innocent, that shit ain't doing shit. Hey, baby girl.
There was
En
one.
el carrito, sí, lo puedes tirar. Sí. Pues la voy a poner allá en el, ¿cómo se llama? En la tienda, pero pusieron uno eléctrico. Sí. 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 Vale.
Are you still recording, Lathan? So we can fish. No? Okay. I don't think they like the heat. I don't think they like the heat. Huh? You're not gonna use it no more? Huh? This is already turned off.
That means it's been turned off. I've been recording with it off. I didn't touch anything.
Oh, it died. Oh, it died. Yeah. This GoPro, like the GoPro dies easily because of the model. It's always been like that.
Come on, tell him up.
Do you guys want to go right now? Huh? But where do you want to go? Do you want to go to JNS since it's like right there?
Don't matter.
Yeah, let's just go to JNS since it's right there. Yo. OJ, you want to go to JNS? Ask Jason and Jaime. I'm gonna catch one here, I swear. All right, let's head back.
Oh, shit.
You didn't even rig it up right, bro. Yeah,
Mira. Mira.
you didn't rig it up right.
What?
You have to push the hook all the way in. You can see.
Hey? And that's it?
I see.
Oh,
You're gonna catch one today.
I'm gonna fucking catch something.
Okay, let's go to JNS.
I might catch some things for your mama.
I don't know, pretend I didn't hear that. Oh, look at that shadow. Hey, hey, Chrissy. Hey, hey, Chrissy.
Shut up, dude. Sent you an invitation. I'm about to put on a little cream, dude. Ooh, that's what I should. I want you to play Call of Duty. Oh, fuck, I missed one. What the fuck? Alright, hold it.
We should call ourselves the Shirtless
You
Boys.
don't know how to hold it, dude.
That's
Ooh, you're not holding it right. You're not holding it right. Nathan, can you help me?
alright.
You're not holding it.
I feel like stick a pencil through it. I like keep it in.
Mine's too big for that.
Mine's too thick.
But y'all should small as fuck. You wanna see my wiener?
Yeah.
Please don't do it. Please don't do it.
Why are you doing that today? Because
Yeah,
Oh
but your
my.
shit can't do that.
Mine go, yeah, mine can. Watch this. What, you want to talk shit about my rod?
fucking.
You want to talk shit about my
Yeah,
rod?
let me hear yours do that.
Like, watch.
You want to hear mine?
Oh,
You want to hear mine?
I look at how you had one.
Mine's like that.
Hey, just because you're in the way, I'm trying like it.
I'm over here then. I watch. You're the one I want. You're the
Bro, what
one.
happened to going to JNS, bro?
I know, that's what I said. My head hurts. I'm trying to eat that fucking.
So let's go then. Let's go then.
I'm trying to eat my burrito from the car.
Bro, don't y'all wish y'all could just teleport there?
Yeah. Look, you wish I had teleportation.
That cost $1 billion.
It's fucking lilies under the water. That's what it is. There's lilies.
Nathan, where's your scissors?
It's his scissors.
It's in my pocket.
No, it's his scissors.
Yeah, it's in my pocket. Come on here.
I can't.
Bro, imagine if I tried doing that thing where I like throw it the hook set and then I throw it in the water on the other side.
That.
I gave it to my dad.
Come on, where's your scissors?
I gave it to you. Yeah, fucking liar.
Did you got a drink?
It depends on the situation.
Bro, sometimes I think he's drunk the way he talks. Oh my.
He's just funny as hell.
Yeah, he's funny.
What the fuck? Alright, so I already casted and I did a good cast, but nothing got it right now, so I just let this be sink.
Oh, but I got one up.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
you are. Really?
No, I lost it.
You go. Got it. Got it. You gotta fucking. Gotta rip it and stick it.
Which one fuck me now?
Jaime, can you bring down my backpack?
I'm a lumberjack. That's a fellow.
You're snagged.
Hey, calm down.
You're snagged over. Y'all niggas ass, you haven't caught a fish, have you? Lucky, no. I know where to cast and I knew what to use. And as soon as I caught it, all you guys put on, all two, Lathan and OJ put on a fluke afterwards. Yeah, they did. After I caught my bass, they wanted. So we're at this just walked and then now we're at this new spot. So shit, I thought I got a bird's nest. Look at those fags over there. Well, what is head a clear, but I don't see no action. Boy, that's tough. Shit.
Was that a fish and nobody's casting at it?
What?
No, that's Jaime just casting.
Oh, sh!
You seen that?
Yes, you almost hit your face.
Dude, I'm fucking like a matrix.
Okay.
One jumped out right there.
No, that was me casting, dumbass. What do you have on? Wow. What's happening?
Oh, money.
Oh shit!
Oh, I'm gonna hit him right in the face.
Hey, let's all of us look on him.
Let's all get him.
Oh shit! I'm stuck on him.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Oh, you're stuck on me.
No, you're stuck on me.
Holy shit! You think I can hook onto him? You think I can hook onto him?
Shut the hell up.
I
I do got him.
can fight him. I can fight him.
What? No, you can off on him.
Is it?
I did hook that phone call bitch.
Hey, bro, I'm about to
That nigga leaning.
I caught him.
Oh shit!
Hey, bro, he's twerking. Take me to that. Take me to that. Yeah,
Oh shit! You didn't hook onto him.
He took my bait.
He had him on. Alan, he had him.
I know.
he like,
Hijo de su madre, cabrón, me rompió mi cuerda.
Monster Bastard be on his bro. got him?
Watch out.
He's moving because he got hooked. So, yeah, if you throw a top water, he'll catch it.
Or just look, just reel it to his face and he'll bite it.
Just like that, just like that. I look, you feel like my line's gonna break.
Mine is too big.
It's gonna break. Mine broke.
Yo! He's gonna make me back last watch. Bro, I just back last.
You have to come it.
I did.
What are you doing? Just open your bill and you do it.
¿Dónde más sale el pez?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking. I wanna catch him, but I don't want my line to break. And I don't wanna lose this. Catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him.
I'm gonna send Charles out that door.
What the fuck the function? What the fuck the function? Holy ass. What?
Yo, holy. That thing went flying.
We're playing.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, I thought I had one.
Ela. They got Charles out. Préstamate de esa, Alan.
¿Y qué?
They got it sitting up.
Aquí.
Maybe.
Are you guys still trying to hook on the gator?
Oh, he's coming! Hey! Hey, I bet you did, OJ. Yo! OJ, stay there!
Be careful, Jason. Too far away.
Hey, they can jump. They can jump.
I left my stuff over there. He got me.
Oh,
You know what?
oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah.
Catch it today.
Yo, I think I lost that.
All right, Alan.
Oh.
I had something on.
Let me see. Turn this way.
Oh, Jason, you see me? I
Holy.
had something on.
You gotta look up, cabrón.
Oh yeah.
Alan's using a flute.
Yeah, he smoked on the fluke.
Alligator disappeared.
That just want to come out of nowhere. Brian had something on.
What you getting with Charles, man? Those Charles tighten up.
Charles.
Yeah, that's what I
that's
call
what they call him.
Charles.
Let me see how.
Mm. Holy shit, look at his fucking face.
They just punch you in the face, bro. Take a picture of it.
What the hell? That's what I'm saying.
You want a picture?
Look at that. Get off on that nigga. Oh yeah.
Let me take a picture.
That's good, yeah.
Here.
Hey, this is all what fishing bros about, you know? Catching. Shit.
Think it's safe for me to get my stuff?
Yeah, you good.
Yeah?
Wait.
Put it on the...
What the fuck are you doing?
Here, listen.
It's like a 2-pounder. Right, Ethan?
I
Two.
have a scale.
Yeah, let me see.
Wait, hold on. You want me to do it for you?
Okay, throw it out there. I had something on.
Hey, mami.
That is like a 2-3 pounder.
It's like a 2-pounder.
Wait, hold up.
Alright.
Ajá.
Like, oh, one about to be a 2.
El
Yeah.
lunes me llevo salsa para echarle puro cloro, ya es que hay de crema. Ese lo echo y
Oh, yeah.
That's a good bass, that one.
Yeah? I look, didn't even know I had one on.
Ese
I'm gonna release this bit.
en el piso, ¿no? Y en la pared.
Oh, there's a fucking grasshopper on me.
Sí, yo le digo a Liz.
Oh, yeah. Come on now. Yeah, I need to catch one too. You go like that. Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna try to find it.
¿Sí viste los que yo te mandé?
I didn't even know I had one on.
Wait, do y'all have scissors?
Yeah, I got some. I got a knife. Oh,
Oh, yeah, no.
¿Te vas a venir para acá cuando acabes?
What do you call it? Look, you see,
Digo,
right
te vas a
there.
venir para acá cuando
Look where the
acabes.
light is.
what the fuck?
Something that's like
No.
Shit, what's going on?
Wait, do you have any more loose talent?
Yeah. Also, I beat the curse. Remember when I said, "Oh, imagine we don't catch anything this whole day."
I mean, you can break the law. I mean, instead of just keep fooling, like, trying to follow me, like.
Walk backwards. Just walk backwards.
No, look. Here, I'll go like this. Yeah.
No, that's how I was trying to follow me.
I mean,
Will you tie this home for me? Pull it, please.
I look, you don't know, but use my knife. It's in the front pocket.
Should I use a black bullet weight or a silver one?
He wants to beat OJ's ass. Say chasing after him. Oh shit, that nigga going after you guys.
Yo, he's literally coming for your ass. Bro, come on. Sorry. Time to catch later, guys.
Keep that drag a little bit higher. That way when you come his back to this one.
Jason, go in there. Go in there.
Go in the water, Jason. He'll think you're like another gator. Gator versus gator. Who would win? Two monkeys versus a gator. Who will win?
Me? You're not catching that. OG, don't catch that. OG, don't catch that, bro.
It's his brother, so if he gets in, if anything happens, he's gonna get in trouble. It sounds so nice. You guys really sticking my trend?
Why'd you cut it so close to the thing?
Oh.
Is he in the fucking ground?
Yes, nigga.
Motherfucker.
Where's it at? I'll go get it.
Right here.
Where?
Yeah, I'm gonna let him come out.
Hold on.
Oh, that's the tilapia.
Where's it at?
Oh, that's a sick.
Oh.
That's a sick
Nigga,
one.
you just made me get in the fucking water.
That's a sick
Nigga,
one.
you threw your ass in that fucking water, nigga.
Oh yeah. Nathan, what do you do with these? Put your dick in them?
Cold.
I'm about to fish without a ball rig.
Oh my god, got a shaky. That works. That water's kind of chilly.
But that fish is fucking warm.
Is it?
Yeah. Fish is a hella warm.
For me, it's cold.
No, it's in the mouth.
Oh.
Oh, fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, nigga. I fucking hate cichlids. Who
Oh,
don't?
my ass is cold.
Oh, this nigga's small. Freak you.
Nigga, just...
Back in my day, little stinking ass, buddy. Freak you, buddy.
just grab him by the asshole.
No, I'm gonna hold this fish straight. I think I broke his mouth. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna meet you. I'm gonna eat your butt. I'm gonna
Really?
eat you up too. Fuck you, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
That's how we do it.
It's as big as my dick.